In this tutorial, we will deploy a TinyML Hello World sine model to Arduino Nano RP2040 using the example from the library Arduino TF Lite. The board's manager that needs to be installed is the Arduino Mbed OS Nano. So this example is known as the Hello World of TinyML, just like how blinking an LED is a first step in embedded programming. So here the pre-trained model predicts the sign of a number x without using the mathematical function sine x. So why do we use the sine function? We use it because it is a simple mathematical function and we can easily generate synthetic training data from it, and we can also visualize it. So here the board's manager, Mbed OS Nano boards is selected, and we use the example Hello World from the library Arduino TF Lite. So in this example, we first see that we have to input a value between 0 and 6.28. We input a value x, and this value is placed in the model's input tensor, and we run inference, and the output we get is the predicted value of sine x from the model, and that is compared with the actual value of sine of x. So then we upload the code, compile and upload the code to our RP2040. It may take a while to upload. And then we look at tools, serial monitor to see the output. So in this example, we are supposed to input a value, and the first value we input is the number 2. So the model gives us the inferred sign of 2, which is 0.89, and then the actual mathematical sign of 2, which is 0.91, and we see that it is quite close. We will input another value 3, and then again we have the inferred sign of 3, and we can compare it with the actual sign of 3. We are not able to visualize results here. So to visualize results, we made a modification to the code. So we modify the code a bit, and let's look at that. So I will have a global variable float x. I give it a value of 0.0, and in the loop I will increment that value by 0.5. This allows us to have we can visually see the sine wave. So again we can compare the predicted and the actual sine waves. So let's go back to, we will upload the code to our RP2040 and then visualize our results on the serial plotter. Let's go to the tools, serial plotter, and we can see the actual sine values and the predicted sine wave. We can compare the two, and we see that the model has been trained well and works well. So this is the Hello World of TinyML on RP2040. I hope this helps.